Ooh, 570 bucks. Oh my God. Guys, did you just see that? I started with $30 and I got 655 bucks. Literally take nothing and turn it into something. And you can do it too. Trust me. If you
full moment and I decided to trade with the full amount I have on my balance. As for this method,
I would just say though that this strategy is pretty darn foolproof. I mean, here you go, bottom of the chart, a couple winning trades, and then boom, a bunch of winning trades. I
pulled the 3 most viewed pocket option strategy videos returned by current YouTube strategy searches. Together they have more than 1.4 million views. Their promises sound different, but the pattern is the same: selected wins, rising stakes, and indicator combinations presented as proof. I think that is gambling dressed up as trading.
Usually try not to do anything shorter than 1 minute because I feel like the strategy that I'm going to recommend functions best with 1 minute trades. And basically, if you start with $5 with a 1 minute trade, if you are right in your prediction, you'll get $8.05 back. So that's a $3.05 profit every correct trade. So I make a trade and let's say I think it's going to go up. If within 1 minute from now it went up, I make that profit. If I'm wrong, I lose the $5 trade. Oh, you lose $5 if you don't make it? Yes, that's how it can be a little risky if you don't have a strategy. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I consider a winning strategy that works way more often than not and has been what has been able to consistently get me nearly $20,000.
This payout alone exposes the problem. Risking $5 to make $3.05 requires a win rate above 62% just to break even. More often than not is mathematically insufficient. Without a large forward-tested sample, this strategy claim tells us nothing about expected profitability.
It's very pattern following, and then you're going to click indicators. There's a lot of indicators here. You're going to want to use momentum. And the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to tweak this ever so slightly by clicking the pencil icon, leave the period on 10, and we're going to want to change this to line. I change it to 2 pixels so I can see it a little better, or 2 or 3. And here is how the strategy works. Every time the currency goes well below the mid region, all the way to just about the bottom, or all the way just to about the top, that is a signal that the currency is likely going to go in the opposite direction. Basically, it's a signal that it's likely going to rebound. And let's see here if there's proof that that works. Well, here we had basically a signal because it kind of peaked out at the top of the chart, and you can see a couple trades. It went down, and as it stabilized back in the middle, you want to stop your trades and look for the next signal. Same thing here. When it bottomed out in the chart, you can see this would have been a winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade. And as it starts to stabilize back into the middle, you wait again for another signal. This is
the indicator trap. The oscillator reaches an extreme, the presenter scrolls backward, and the examples that reverted are labeled winning trades. But an indicator built from past price cannot prove the next extreme will reverse, change the period, threshold, asset, or expiry, and there are effectively endless combinations that can look perfect after the fact.
And winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, maybe a losing trade and a winning trade. So what do you do if you happen to lose a trade? Well, what you could do is you could simply ignore it and just let it be. You know that by using the momentum tool and following the strategy, that more often than not, you're going to be right. So you're going to stay profitable. I mean, if you only do $5 trades, or if you always do $10 trades, something small. If we win 5 trades and we lose 1 trade, we still made money and we're growing the account. So that's one thing you could do, is just ignore it and look for the next signal, and keep making trades until this until it restabilizes more in the central region. Or you could use the Martingale system, which is simply to double your prior trade and then recover losses. So if our first trade was a $5 trade and we get this signal, and pretend it didn't go up, pretend it instead went down, and we thought it was going to go up, we would have lost $5 trade. So what do? Well, the signal says it's likely going to go up. So we still place, immediately once we lose that trade, we place another trade, except we double it to $10. Why do we do that? Because if this $10 trade comes out as a win, we get $7.20 of profit. So the $5 we lost is now covered by the $7.20, and then we still have $2.20 on top. And as soon as we have that winning trade, whether we had to double once or twice, then we start back at our starting amount again.
The Martingale system makes the weakness worse. Doubling after a loss does not improve the signal, it only increases exposure. Stakes grow from 5 to 10 to 20 to 40, then to 80. One ordinary losing streak can erase many small wins. Calling the method foolproof while deciding whether to double again and hope for the best is gambling, not a repeatable edge.
And we have to know that this method consists of only 2 indicators. I think it's a great time to start setting indicators. And the first is Bollinger Bands. We have to change periods and set it to 10 and 2 to further unfold the upper and lower extreme lines of the indicator. And we have to also change colors, thicken lines, and say. The second indicator is super trend. I set periods to 1 and 1 because the indicator is more active. I definitely put on 30 seconds candles and reduce the trading time interval by 1 minute.
Bollinger Bands and Super Trend are 2 visualizations of the same underlying price. Agreement between them is not independent confirmation. Then the video moves from 30-second candles to 1-minute expiry and stakes the entire balance. A system titled Impossible to Lose should not require full balance bets or subjective phrases like most likely confident.
Guys, I think it was a wonderful moment and I decided to trade with the full amount I have on my balance. As for this method, this is a very good moment, primarily because the long-term levels are fixed as you see on the platform, and the currency pair is moving steadily, I think. If we observe, there were also 2 strong sales as shown by 2 large red candles, and added to all these are signals from indicators that indicate that the trend will continue downwards. And I think all this made me just click red button. Great, the first win. That I'm most likely confident that the trend will go down even stronger. Guys, watch out every time I trade when the super trend indicator gives me a signal from the top down. It signals with this signal that it's expecting the red candle again. Also, recommended for good results, the super trend's red mark should be about the Bollinger Band's green line for a strong signal, a more strong signal I mean. And I think I'm going to win this trade. And I'm entering the trade with $5,000. Guys, the super trend indicator gives me a signal and so far no red candles have been made. This is an indication that it will soon start moving down the trend and start making red candles. Also, the candles are near to the Bollinger Band's upper green line and the green candles have lost their power if you look closely on the screen. And as you can see, the red candle started to go down and my analysis just was justified.
Notice what is missing: a complete trade log, losses, sample size, and fixed rules applied before the outcome is visible. 4 displayed wins can happen with the losing method. On longer timeframes and expiries, traders collect fewer observations, so negative expectancy can stay hidden longer before the account reveals the truth.
So I'm really excited. Well, first of all, candles and M1 for the time frame. The timer is enabled. and I'm gonna get my superheroes of the day. Arun, Vortex, also the Donjon channels, and Fractal. Okay, perfect. All right, perfect. I'm gonna start small today, just 30 bucks for the start. And I can see that a strong buyer entered on a euro. You see the price broke out from the sideways range to the upside, holding above the middle line of the Donjon channel. And we are also breaking a fractal resistance level. You see on the left on the chart? It is. And both Arun and Vortex oscillators signal long, so we have no other choice but go for a call option. And up and up and up and up. Oh God, singing is not my strongest skill. You know it very well. When I sing, you wanna cry, I get it. So I will try to, not to raise my voice too much. But this session is going to be wonderful. You see, I picked a bunch of indicators and oscillators, and the first result just came in. $57 is my first profit. And that sounds...
Here the chart looks more sophisticated because 4 different tools all point in the same direction, but every one of those tools is calculated from the same price history. More indicators create more ways to justify an entry, not independent evidence. Complexity can feel like knowledge while keeping traders in an endless learning loop.
Let's score another trade. I think it could work. Let me raise the bid a little bit to 57 bucks. All right, and the price broke below the channel's median line, and SAR is confirming a short. Arun and Vortex also support the bearish momentum, so it is time to enter a put option. Let's do it. Let's go for it. What a great result, darlings. Okay, and $100 for the next beat. Yes, well, a very nice number, and I can see that we have broken below the middle band of the channel, exiting the previous range. Both Arun and Vortex had already given the short signals, and the trend is continuing. So we're gonna go ahead and enter a short position here, and let's wait for that drop to happen, because I know it's happening and you know it's happening. So now let's just give it some time and wait. God, I got so much into the 90s music, it's unbelievable. And I actually got into regular dance disco parties. And this is so much fun. Honestly, let me tell you, I feel like my soul is dancing. Hence, that explains the outfit. And well, my strategies explain my profits. $192. Well done. I think it's a great result, given that we only started with the $30. But this is not the end. And we got this $384. My new win. I feel fabulous. I love these results. Oh my goodness. All right, but let's do one more. Let's see if this would work. And let's increase the bid to 300 this time. And well, take a look, darlings. The buyers are struggling to break through the consolidation zone, and SAR is still above the price. Oscillators still lean bearish. Okay, we're gonna keep it safe. Trading only from the short side. Time for a drop. And time for these red candles get bigger and redder and bring me the profit, because this is what I want from them. All right. Fantastic. Please tell me what's your favorite dance. If you're dancing, please share in the comments. I really want to know. I'm really curious, because when I get passionate about something, I want to share my passion with the whole world. But first of all, with you guys, because you are my community of like-minded people, and you feel very close to my heart and soul. So please tell me, ooh, 570 bucks. Oh my God. Guys, did you just see that? I started with $30 and I got 655 bucks. Literally take nothing and turn it into something. And
The displayed stakes climb from $30 to $57 to $100 to $200 and then to $300. Yet only wins are shown. That is not a measured demonstration of robustness. It is an escalating highlight reel. A strategy must survive every signal. Losing sequences, changing market conditions, and fixed risk. Not only the trade selected for a video. My approach is deliberately simpler. I use a 5-second chart and a 5-second expiration. I wait for one specific candle formation, check that the moving averages are in the correct position, and enter the breakout immediately. My custom chart switcher cycles through assets, so I can wait for the signature move instead of forcing a trade on one chart.
So basically, when I see some hesitations, I just don't like to. So guys, I hope you like my chart switcher. You don't need to waste energy on clicking switching charts. It's just a lot more comfortable. Just sit and let it to be automated. Wait. Oh, nothing. So basically, what's this? Okay, I like it, I like it, I like it. Wait. Down. Nice. Okay. Okay. Down. Oh, go, go, go. Nice drop. Nice drop. This is how we like it. Next trade, $160. Is to wait, patience is always the key. I like this. Down. Okay, okay. Similar setup as I think, as our previous. Okay. Sea of greens. That's all what I like to see. Nice, nice. Let's continue. One more. Whoa. Okay, this is nice. Hold on. Up, 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 up. Go, go, go. Up, up, up. Nice. Finally, beautiful trades. There you have it. That was a very nice trading session.
One winning streak alone is never enough. The stronger evidence is repeating the same setup over years. My public videos show sequences above 10 wins, and students have applied this method across the last 4 years. The edge is not more indicators, it is one clearly defined signature move, fast feedback, patient chart selection, and execution that can be repeated.